Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add YouTube Kids to Chromecast, explained clearly and step by step, so you can easily stream kid-friendly content on your TV. Step 1. Check your Chromecast setup. Make sure your Chromecast device is properly connected to your TV and powered on. Also ensure your Chromecast and your smartphone or tablet are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Update your device and apps. On your phone or tablet, update the YouTube Kids app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Also make sure your Google Home app is up to date for smooth casting. Step 3. Open the YouTube Kids app on your mobile device and sign in with the parent's Google account if required. Step 4. Tap the Cast icon. At the top of the YouTube Kids app, tap the Cast icon. A list of available Chromecast devices will appear. Step 5. Choose your Chromecast device. Select your Chromecast from the list. Once connected, the YouTube Kids interface will appear on your TV screen. Step 6. Start playing kid-friendly videos. Browse or search for content inside the YouTube Kids app on your phone or tablet, then tap a video. The video will immediately start playing on your TV through Chromecast. Step 7. Control playback from your device. Use your phone or tablet to pause, play, skip videos, or change content. Parental controls and profiles remain active while casting. Step 8. Stop casting when finished. When you're done, tap the Cast icon again and select Disconnect to stop streaming to your TV. That's how you add and use YouTube Kids with Chromecast in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step tech guides.